Good morning, you guys. So today is super exciting because I've been trying to dive into doing a little bit more beauty things and, you know, trying to look good. So one thing I did already was get a brow tint before. Okay, so this is actually after I think like 3 weeks of having it done. But I'm actually today getting it done again. A brow tint as well as a lash lift. Now, I'm not sure if anybody has ever gotten a lash lift before or brow tint before, but they're amazing. And ooh, my timer that I have made. I'll be setting timers for myself so I can remember to do certain things, y'all. But anyway, so I'm getting a brow tint, okay? First off, and the brow tint is just basically gonna make my eyebrows look already done so that I don't have to do them, which I never do my brows anyway because I don't really wear makeup like that. But when I do wear makeup like that, if I do it myself, then I will love to have my eyebrows already done because I'm not like an artist in that type of way, so I can't, you know, make them look good all the time. So if they look good when I wake up in the morning already fresh, ready to go, then we just gonna be looking good like every day. So a lash lift is basically gonna keep your keep your eyelashes curly, okay? So if you have eyelashes that are straight, if you have eyelashes that are short and they, you know, just don't curl at all, if you have to use a clamp, then this might be a really, really good idea for you to do. It's just gonna keep them curled. So I want to show you guys how my eyelashes actually look before I get them done, because my eyelashes are actually extremely curly and they're extremely long. So technically, they already said I don't really need to get this done, but I want to see how dramatic they can actually get. Okay, so we all gonna see together how curly and how long they can actually look. So I'm gonna see how close up I can get to. Anyway, you guys, all right, so I'm gonna get dressed. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and let's get it. I hope you guys like the intros I've been doing. I'm trying out some new type of editing and kind of having more of a aesthetic, you know, beginning or whatever when you start my videos. So anyway, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below, and let me know what you guys think. Talk to y'all soon. Hey, you guys. Okay, so just made it. Let me put my mask on real quick. You know, COVID. Gotta be COVID safe around here. All right, mask is on. Let me get out so I don't be running. I'm already about a couple minutes late, so let me run up in here. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you so baby feeling. This one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. This one thing I want to admit. This one thing you know was so weird. This one thing you did. And maybe I just keep believing. This one thing you did. I can deny, try to try.
just something. It's just, I don't know. I need to fight
Wanna give you the world, boy. I wanna be your girl. Wanna Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no, your love be like oh 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 oh. Your love be like yeah, your love be like no.
All done, y'all. Look at how good this looks. Like, okay, trust me. Like, if y'all have never gotten a brow tint or a lash lift before, y'all need to check this out. Like, guys, I look a whole new, okay? Like, the word I'm about to say. Not about to say, but wow. Get into it, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna link all the information at the bottom of this. And I'm actually gonna end the video when I get home, but I wanted to make sure you guys know, like, these are my girls. Okay, y'all wanna say hi? Okay, here's Monica, my brow girl. She's amazing. Went to high school with her. Ew! And then this is, what's your name again? JoJo. Love it. I just met her today, y'all, so don't be getting on me. But JoJo, amazing lash tech. So they're here in LA, you guys. Hit me up if you guys need their information. But Long Beach, JoJo's in Long Beach, Monica's in LA. So if y'all need their information, I'm gonna link it below. Instagram, TikTok, social media, all that. But anyway, talk to y'all soon. Hey you guys, so as you guys can see, I just wanted to do my hair and makeup so you guys can see what this looks like. Woo! Y'all don't understand. This feels so good to have your eyebrows already did, you know what I'm saying? And your eyelashes already did, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to try out getting your brows tinted or even your lashes done. I think it'll be super fun for you guys to try out and see if it works for you, see how you like it, see if you want to stay consistent with it. And yeah, so anyway, you guys, I'll link all of the information below for the people who did it, and I will also link my social media down below as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. See y'all soon. Bye.